Hello everybody, welcome back to Apple Tech Park YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone won't make or receive calls but can text after an update. So let's get started. So guys, first make sure your iPhone's do not disturb feature is off. To check this, open the control center on your iPhone. On the control center menu, tap on focus. Here, make sure your iPhone's do not disturb feature is off. If it's on, turn it off. So guys, if this method doesn't work, then try the next method. Method 2 is remove and reinsert the SIM card. Sometimes due to network issue you can't receive calls and messages. So remove and reinsert your iPhone SIM or turn off your airplane mode and turn it on after some time. For this, go to settings menu on your iOS device. Here, turn on airplane mode. Now wait for a while, then turn it back off.